Next command is copy command. You can select copy command from here, and the shortcut for copy command is CO. Type CO in command prompt, press enter. Now select the object which you want to copy. I select these both circles and these both lines. Press enter. Now specify its base point. I select this point for base point. Move cursor toward this direction and give it some distance. I type here 1500 mm. Press enter. This is copy from this center point to this center point at 1500 mm. Again I select copy command. I select both circles and both lines. Press enter. I select this point for base point. Move cursor upside and type here distance 100 mm. Press enter. This is copy from this point to this point at 100 mm. You can also copy this object at any point. I select copy command. I select the object, both circles and both lines. Press enter. Now specify base point. I select this point for base point. Now I want to copy this object at this point. For that I select this point. First of all, turn off the ortho mode. Press F8. Now click on this object copy at this point.